watching The View from the Microwave. And for our songs tonight, we have Sugar Sugar. Think of it.
So gifted, sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, 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 sugar, how you get so fly? Yo, listen up, here's the story about a little guy that lives in a blue world, and all day and all night and everything.
Cyclone, cyclone.
Like him inside and outside, blew his house with the blue.
You have it?
Window and
You have it?
and everything
Okay, we need to
for him and himself and everybody around, 'cause he ain't got nobody to listen. I'm blue, I would need, I would die, I would need, I would die, I would need, I would die.
Jimmy, why don't I just call you Tiffany?
Hey, you don't have to love me. You don't even have to like me. But you will respect me. Draw your lemons. 'Cause I'm a boss. I'm bossy. I'm the first girl to scream on the track. I switched up the beat of the drum. That's right, I brought all the boys to the yard. And that's right, I'm the one that's tattooed on his arm. I'm bossy. I'm the one y'all love to hate. I'm the chick that's raised to stay. I told you that you should switch tickets. I'm
Ready for the crazy song?
Okay, this is a real crazy song. We should have brought crazy hats. We should have done some bucket hats. What's that? Okay, what is that? You like...
I'm so bored, no one's on vacation. I was thinking that you were waiting for no truth and I could go on. Show my Soulja Boy, so hey, I got a little dance for y'all called the Soulja Boy. You just gotta punch, then crank back 3 times from the why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that Soulja Boy, that Superman, that hoe? Now why me you? Crank that soul, 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 now why me? Soulja Boy, I'm thinking hoe. Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that Soulja Boy, that Superman, that hoe? Now why me you? Crank that soul, 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 now why me? Soulja Boy, thinking hoe. Why me lean and why me rock? Superman, that hoe. Yeah, why me crank that Robocop? Super friend, now why me jock? Jocking on the halo bike. When I do that Soulja Boy, I need to look and crank that thing. Now you, I got your picture. I got it with you till Maria count me in. There's a story at the bottom of this bottle and I'm a fan.
What's that? How do you do?
Watch the way you take the stage by storm, the way you rock. 4, 3, 2. a two-step. Let go and two-step. Let go